Hi everybody and welcome back to Relax My Dog. Now today's video is such an important video and that every single dog owner should watch and should know about, and that is how to brush your dog's teeth. People don't realise what an impact your dog having dirty teeth can have on their insides. It can actually lead to a lot of organ failures like kidney failure, even heart failure, because of the plaque and the bacteria that can build up in your dog's mouth. Fair enough, giving your dog things like dentist sticks and things like that can really sort of help to clean out your dog's mouth is great, and well done for doing that, but it's also important that you do take the next step and actually brush your dog's teeth. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you do to help your dog's teeth stay healthy? Do you brush them? If you do, you're an A-star dog owner, and let me know, are you going to improve the way you clean your dog's teeth? Let me know down below in the comments. So the first step that you need to use is make sure you're using things that are specifically designed for your dog's teeth. There is no good cracking out a old toothbrush of yours or some old toothpaste that you don't use anymore and trying to use them on your dog, because it just isn't the correct way to do things. You can actually get toothbrushes that are specifically made for dogs that are a little bit smaller, and you must remember to never ever use human toothpaste. The flavouring in it just will not be nice for your dog. Obviously their taste buds are so much more stronger than ours, and toothpaste is already quite strong, so they might make them be sick and all sorts, so just keep that away from your dog. Now the next tip is to give your dog a little bit of taste of the toothpaste. When you have bought a doggy safe one, make sure you're giving them like a little tiny piece and giving them almost like a treat, just so they get used to that taste being in their mouth. There is nothing worse than your dog suddenly being shocked by having this weird taste in their mouth, so definitely do give them that. If they are quite picky with it, make sure you give it them sort of every single day, a little tiny like pea size amount, just to get them used to the taste. Now a good tip as well is to try and not force your dog's mouth open. I know I'm trying to tell you guys how to brush your dog's teeth, but actually if you just sort of lift up your dog's lip, you can get access to all of their teeth there. There's no need for you to have to sort of prise their jaw open to get into their teeth. If you just open the lip and just give them a clean, that is as much as you can do. And it's normally just recommended that you clean the cheek side of your dog's teeth, as in the bit that you see, the bit that's sort of inside like the tongue side, and dog doesn't normally allow you to have access to that part. So if your dog is really, really well behaved, then you might be able to do it, but most dogs, it's sort of a no-go. And the next tip is to remember to reach the upper molars and the canine teeth. These are ones that are sometimes missed because they are quite far back, but these can actually build up the most plaque, so definitely do have access to that area because it is quite crucial. And then our very last tip, once you've done this, as well as to reward yourself for getting to the end of brushing your dog's teeth, it is also important that you reward your dog as well, to tell them they have done something amazing and they've let you brush their teeth. It's actually recommended that you do it pretty much every day or every other day, just so that obviously we brush our teeth every single day and we see the amount of plaque that can build up, so definitely do make sure you're brushing your dog's teeth as often as you possibly can. I'm not saying that you need to brush them twice a day like humans do, but try and do it quite often. And that is it for this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to, like I said, follow us on our social medias. We're on Instagram, Facebook and also Twitter. All of them are at Relax My Dog, so really, really easy to find. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the button in the middle here, and you can also check out our previous video, which is all the way on the other side of the screen, if you would like to learn more and more about your dog. Thank you all so much for watching, and me and Milo will see you next week for next week's video. Bye.